Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, you will learn how to create a custom section and add it to the storefront. With ZenBasket, you can create unique sections instead of being restricted to ready-made templates. This allows you to structure and design your pages based on your specific desires and requirements. To create a new section, navigate to Design in the main menu, and then click on the Start Editing button located within the Start Modifying section. To edit a specific page, select the desired page from the list in this drop-down menu. Click the Add Section icon, and then choose Create Section to add a new section. Enter the section name. On the right-hand side, you will find elements available, including columns, heading, text, image, button, divider, HTML, and menu. Simply click and drag any of these elements into the section. Now, I am adding a heading element. To do this, drag the heading element from the right to the left portion. Then, double-click on the heading and enter the text as needed. You can edit the text using the editing tool located below the element and set various attributes such as heading type, font, family, font weight, font size, color, text alignment, and line height on the right side. Enable the Toggle Inherit Body Styles option to utilize the global settings within this section. Disable it if you prefer to customize the settings according to your preferences. When disabled, set a color and enable this toggle to underline the text. Here I am enabling the Inherit Body Styles option. You can modify the container padding to either increase or decrease its space. By enabling the More Options toggle, you can adjust padding individually for the top, right, left, and bottom sides. Activate the Hide on Desktop toggle to hide a specific section in your desktop view. To preview all the changes for the mobile view, switch to the Mobile tab. You can duplicate the heading by clicking the duplicate icon, and you can remove the heading by clicking the delete icon. Let's see how to customize a column, an image, and a text element. To add a column, drag and drop the element from the right panel onto the left. Here, I am choosing a 2-column layout. You can edit each column individually. You can set the background color and adjust the padding on the top, right, left, and bottom by enabling the More Options toggle, or simply increase or decrease it for all sizes. Set the border size. You can set the border size type by choosing between solid, dotted, or dashed border styles and specify the padding. If you enable the More Options toggle, you can customize the padding separately for the top, left, right, and bottom sides. You can define the background color and the content background color. If you want to upload a background image to the column, click the Upload Image button and select an image from your device. You can also enter the URL of the image. You can increase or decrease the padding for all sides. Or by enabling the More Options toggle, you can adjust the padding on the top, right, left, and bottom. Use the Hide on Desktop toggle to hide a specific section in your desktop view. In a similar manner, configure the settings for the other column as well. I am adding an image element to the left column and a text element to the right column. To add an image to the left column, you can easily drag and drop the image element from the right side. Double-click the image icon, then click on the Upload Image button located in the right panel. Browse your device to find and choose the desired image. Provide the image URL. Adjust the width or set the auto width and alignment, and enter alternate text. Give the image link and specify whether the target page should open in the same tab or a new tab. You can increase or decrease the container padding for all sides, or by enabling the More Options toggle, you can adjust the padding on the top, right, left, and bottom. Use the Hide on Desktop toggle to hide this from your desktop view. Now I am going to add a text element to the right column. Double-click on the text element to enter the text and make edits using the Edit tool. On the right-hand side, you can define the font family, font weight, size, color, and text alignment, as well as adjust the line height. Toggle the Inherit Body Styles option to apply the global settings within this section. Deactivate it if you'd like to tailor the settings to your preference. If deactivated, choose a color, and activate the toggle to include an underline. You can increase or decrease the container padding for all sides, or by enabling the More Options toggle, you can adjust the padding on the top, right, left, and bottom. If necessary, you can hide this content from the desktop view. To duplicate an individual column, just click the duplicate icon for that specific column. Similarly, you can remove it by clicking on the delete icon. To duplicate the entire column, select the whole column and then click on the duplicate icon. To remove the entire column, simply click on the delete icon. To preview all the changes for the mobile view, switch to the Mobile tab. To place a button, start by dragging and dropping a block with 3 columns below this column. Dragging and dropping the button element in the middle column will align it with the center. Now you can edit the button element in the Action section on the right panel. You can change the button name and specify the URL to which the button click should navigate. Mention whether the page should open in the same tab or a new tab by selecting an option from the target drop-down. Set the text color, background color, width, font family, font weight, font size, alignment, and line height. You can increase or decrease the padding for all sides, or by enabling the More Options toggle. You can adjust the padding on the top, right, left, and bottom. You can set the border size type by choosing between solid, dotted, or dashed border styles and specify the padding. If you enable the More Options toggle, you can customize the padding separately for the top, right, left, and bottom sides. Similarly, you can set the rounded border by increasing or decreasing the sides or enabling the More Options toggle. You can adjust the sides on the top, right, left, and bottom. You have the option to either increase or decrease the padding for the container, or you can fine-tune the padding for the top, right, left, and bottom by enabling the More Options toggle. To hide this content from the desktop view, enable the Hide on Desktop toggle. To duplicate this button element, simply click the duplicate icon for that specific button. Likewise, you can remove it by clicking on the delete icon. To see all the changes for the mobile view, just switch to the Mobile tab. Likewise, you have the option to add HTML code and a divider for further section customization. Additionally, you can introduce menus by clicking and dragging the element into place. You can rearrange the section by just dragging and dropping elements within this section. You can retrieve the most recent change using the Redo button and undo previous changes using the Undo button. After you have completed all the modifications, click the Append Section button and then click the Save button to save your current changes to this page. Next, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK. Click on the Publish button to publish changes on the website. The new section will appear above the footer area on the website. You can edit the section by clicking Move Section Up. Move section down, duplicating the section, or deleting the section. To make updates within the saved sections, simply click the Quick Edit option. Make the necessary changes. and then click on the Save button. Adding a new section to your website is now easy. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.